this is 10 years after, right? Give you perspective, we nearly failed as a business in 2007 because we'd been in gifting for many years, and we realized that it was a very seasonal business, and the revenues from that were significantly lower than retail. So we did a pivot, and we did a pivot just in time, and otherwise we wouldn't have made it.
No, definitely. I think the other thing is you've got to have balls as well. Not everyone's going to... No, seriously, not everyone's going to sit outside a coffee shop all day and then wait for the buyer and just go up to him or her, because they're probably a little bit scared. They might send a couple of emails, get rejected by their PA. But to get in front of them and say, look, this is who we are, in a polite way, try it, let us know what you think, that takes guts. And I think that's what a lot of entrepreneurs or people who are starting as entrepreneurs need to understand, that you can't just do it. Even though the internet's great and all the access to technology is great, we still need to go and have those face-to-face interactions as well.
Yeah, everyone has jitters. Everyone has nerves. I have nerves all the time. I had nerves coming on the podcast at the beginning. I always, but the main thing though is your drive, your vision, your ambition has to be so powerful that is irrelevant. Doesn't matter. You deal with it. Yeah. If your vision or your dream isn't big enough, it's not okay. Oh well, I'll push that to the side, or I'll leave it for tomorrow, maybe the next day. Whereas if it's like, right, I'm getting up and I'm pumped, and like you're constant. And this is 10 years after, right? Give you perspective, we nearly failed as a business in 2007 because we'd been in gifting for many years, and we realized that it was a very seasonal business, and the revenues from that were significantly lower than retail. So we did a pivot, and we did a pivot just in time, and otherwise we wouldn't have made it. And also in 2006, end of 2006, 2016, 2017. That's when the whole plant-based revolution started kicking in. And in 2018 is when everything changed. Like literally midway through 2018, we were like, whoa, okay, this is things just got a lot, more interesting, a lot more serious, a lot busier. But this is what we've been anticipating all this time.